Dancing Fabrics on Etsy is now delighted to show you how to do this beautiful woven look seaming on your knitting. Here's how. Essentially, we're just going to be creating a run down the side of each piece and then weaving them together. With the furthest away piece, wrap the loose piece of yarn around your G hook, crochet hook, or whatever size you've chosen. Now, peel back the part that rolls in on the edge there and take your crochet hook and pick away by inserting right at the base of this little loopy thing and pick that away. Go ahead and pick out another one. There it is. 2 on the loop. Now do that with the yellow. Roll it flat. Expose this little loopy thing up here and pick that loop right out till it gets kind of big. Go ahead and do the next one. Insert it right, trying to show you as clearly as possible, right through there and pick it out. Now you've got 4 loops on here. Pull those yellow ones through the blue ones. Okay? This is when we're glad we made 2 different colors so you can see what you're doing, especially when you're practicing, that I so strongly encourage you to do. 2 yellows on the hook, that means you're going for the blue. Pick those loops right back. 2 of them. Pull them through. Pop that yellow little loopy right up there. Pick it away. Another one too. And through the blue. Now you can see the little bit of progress we've made. What looks like I'm going to have an extra one of the yellow. It looks like I'm going to have 3. So just pull it through. It's no big deal. Pull it through. Really pretty, huh? That's how you do it.